Next, we take a side bend and create spaciousness and length in the side body and the spine. We expand the diaphragm, opening up space between the ribs and the hips. We use the breath to irrigate the whole torso with prana and oxygen. We take the bolster widthwise on the mat. And then we arrange to come up to the long edge of the bolster with the side of the hip. Using our upper body strength, we drape ourselves over the bolster. The bottom knee is bent, creating a firm foundation. The bottom arm is bent, and the top arm is long. And the top leg is long. The head is moving to where the back plane of the body is so that we can open up a little bit more space in the front of the neck and the throat. Long, slow, smooth, and complete in and out breaths, expanding on the side of the body, creating more space between the bottom of the ribs and the top of the hips. The top leg is extended, engaged in dorsiflexion. Heels strong, toes spread wide apart, taking long, slow, smooth, and complete in and out breaths. Pausing at the end of the complete out breath.